Bryn's at Grandma and Grandpa's house running in her first sprinklers.
Go, Brinny! Go!
I love how girls scream.
Go, Brinny, go! Go, Brinny, go! Claire's screaming.
Yep, and Claire's screaming from the inside of the house hearing you scream. Go run, Bryn!
Okay.
Okay, do it!
Bryn, I want to see you run all the way to that side of the yard. Go! Go! Go, go, go!